Hi, welcome to Living in Laguna Beach. My name is Ryan Huggins, a local real estate agent. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why it is smart to hire a real estate expert when it comes to listing your property.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Ryan Huggins. I'm a Laguna Beach real estate agent and the host of Living in Laguna Beach. If it's your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and tap the little notification bell so that way you're notified every single time that we upload a new video. If you're thinking about moving to one of the cities that I talk about on this channel, shoot me a call, text, or email anytime. Every single day, we get people just like you that are moving here, and we love it. That's what we do. We help people relocate and buy homes in Laguna Beach and the surrounding areas. So if you ever need anything, my contact information will be in the description.
An expert makes all the difference when you sell your house. If you're thinking of selling your house, it's important to work with someone who understands how the market is changing and what it means for you. So here's 5 reasons working with a professional can ensure that you'll get the most out of your sale. Number 1, they're experts on market trends. With today's housing market defined by change, it's critical to work with someone who knows the latest information and how it impacts your goals. An expert real estate advisor knows about national trends and your local area too. More importantly, they'll give you insight to what all of this means for you. So they'll be able to help you make a decision based on trustworthy, data-bound information. Number 2, local professionals know how to set the right price for your home. Home price appreciation has moderated this year. So if you sell your house on your own, you may be more likely to overshoot your asking price because you're not as aware of where prices are today. And pricing your house too high can deter buyers or cause your house to sit on the market for longer, which are both very bad. Real estate professionals look at a variety of factors like the condition of your home, any upgrades you've made with an unbiased eye. They compare your house to recently sold homes in your area to find the best price for today's market so your house sells quickly. A lot of people, when it comes to for sale by owner, they think their house is worth more than every other house that has ever sold in their neighborhood ever because of the fact that there's a lot of emotional attachment to it. And I completely understand that. But when it comes to selling your house or selling anything really, you have to use logic and real numbers, not emotion. Number 3, a real estate advisor is going to help you maximize your pool of buyers. Since buyer demand has also cooled this year, you'll want to do what you can to help bring in more buyers. Real estate professionals have a wide range of tools at their disposal, such as social media followers, agency resources, and the multiple listing service or MLS to ensure your house gets in front of people looking to make a purchase. Investopedia explains why it's risky to sell on your own without a network an agent provides. And they say here, you don't have relationships with clients, other agents, or a real estate agency to bring the largest pool of potential buyers to your home. And in fact, my current list of buyers in this market here in Southern California is over 1,400 leads that are looking to buy a house. They just have different parameters, and your house may be one of those. Without access to your agent's tools and marketing experience, your buyer pool and your home selling potential is limited. Number 4, a real estate expert will read and understand the fine print. Today, more disclosures and regulations are mandatory when selling a house, and that means the number of legal documents you'll need to juggle is growing. The National Association of Realtors, or NAR, puts it like this. There's a lot of jargon involved in a real estate transaction, and you want to work with a professional who can speak the language. Number 5, a local professional is a skilled negotiator. In today's market, buyers are regaining some negotiation power. If you sell without an expert, you'll be responsible for any back and forth, and that means that you'll have to coordinate with the buyer, who wants the best deal possible, of course, the buyer's agent, who will use their expertise to advocate for that buyer. Number 3, the inspection company, which works for the buyer and will almost always find concerns with your house. The 4th piece is the appraiser, who assesses the property's value to protect the lender. So all of that information is on the buyer's team versus you all by yourself if you're doing this for sale by owner. So instead of going toe-to-toe with these parties alone, lean on an expert. They'll know what levers to pull, how to address everyone's concerns, and when you may want to get a second opinion. Bottom line, don't go at it alone. If you're planning to sell your house this spring, let's connect so that way you have an expert by your side to guide you in today's market.